everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Phyllis, and here on my channel I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill, thrift hauls, and more. And if this is your first time stopping by, thank you, and please consider subscribing. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. In this video, I will be sharing with you how I will be creating a bowl similar to this, which is very popular on YouTube now, like the black one here, and a lot of people are doing it using the Dollar Tree items. I like this bowl because the inside is a different color, and I also was inspired by these two young men. Jorge Gomez, he created his bowl like this from Dollar Tree items, as well as Miguelito's, I think that's it, Miguelito's DIY. And what I like about his, the inside was a different color. Here's a quick speed up video that I recorded using my phone so that you all can see the process. If you watch his video, and I will link both of their links to their channel and their videos in the description box. His way is the best way to do it, as opposed to how I did mine, because the glue didn't stick at first and I had to peel it off and do it again. Again, I will leave Jorge's and Miguelito's channel links and the links to their videos. But first, I'll be doing this bowl. So I'll be doing two things: this plate and then the bowl like they did theirs using Dollar Tree products. This plate I got from the Goodwill, about 4 or 5 years ago, and I paid $6.96, and you can see it was from Home Goods, and I think that's really $16.99. It's all, the paint has been chipped off. The inside is pretty, but also you can't see it too closely. It's faded out, and I used it one time for Christmas decor table setting. I'll be spraying both DIYs the same. The inside will be ivory, and which is a sheen or shiny coat to it, glossy coat, and then the black is a matte coat. So the inside of both of my DIYs will be painted with that ivory gloss spray paint, and then on the outside of both of my DIY projects I'll be using the black matte spray paint. And here I took it outside and I wiped it off because I didn't want any fingerprints to show through after it's dried. And I just sprayed it with about 2 coats, and I let it dry for about an hour. And you'll see that I bring it in, and I think once it comes up, the clip comes up, it'll show where I've already sprayed the back of the plate black. I let this dry for about an hour, turned it upside down, took it back outside, and spray painted the back of it black. So here it is, it's all completed. And then coming up, I brought it inside and put it on my kitchen counter so it can finish drying, because the leaves and everything was falling and it kept getting the plate. Now this bowl, it is from the Dollar Tree, but I've had it for such a long time, and you can see the little chips up there. It's plastic and the bottom is glass. But again, if you copy this, glue it together first, then spray paint. I end up spray painting both first and then gluing it together. And spray paint, trying to put glue, whether it's a glue stick or adhesive, or the glue stick and adhesive together, does not work well on plastic and glass. So do it like Miguelito's did if you decide to do this. Glue it together, then spray paint them. And here I spray painted the glass, and I did the bowl the same process as I did the plate. I spray painted it on the inside, and you can do that if you put them together like he did. Spray paint the inside of the bowl, let it dry, and then turn it upside down and spray the whole thing. Here I'm just trimming the edge with some of this acrylic paint because some of the white got kind of over the trim. I didn't do such a great job, and you'll see where some of the black paint dripped. So I had to end up taking it back outside and spray painting the inside again, as well as spray painting the outside because the mist of the white paint got on the outside of the bowl. Now here is the same thing. I'm just touching it up using a little paint Q-tip and some off-white acrylic paint that I had to just touch up the edges. And I'll bring the camera close and you'll see here, you'll see where the paint didn't get on this, and this was because the bowl was laying upside down when I spray painted it black. So I just kind of wanted to finish the edges, and I love the way it came out. I love that two-tone effect of this plate, and it turned out really, really nice. Now what I'm getting ready to do, I am going to put a mirror on the back of this. because I'm going to sometimes stand it up and sometimes lay it down. Now this is a mirror from the Dollar Tree, and I've had this for a long time. And I used this idea on another bowl that I did that I also got from the thrift store at the same time I bought this. And I did that bowl about 4 years ago. Here, I'm putting the Gorilla Glue on here, but it didn't stick well at all, again, because I painted the bowl. And when I put it on there, it didn't stick. I pulled it up and I could peel the glue off. So I put it on the edge of the bowl instead of the mirror. And that worked better. And I think I kind of confused myself with what I just said. I put the glue on the mirror and it wasn't making contact with the edge of the bowl. That's what it is. So I put it on the plate instead. Now here again, this is the idea I used. This was a red plate too. I did a glitter glue gold mixture on the back and the silver on the front and put a mirror in the middle of it and trimmed it with the pearl. And I have this, I use that on a stand in my white cabinet here in my living room next to a gold vase that I also DIY. And here it is all completed with the mirror glued on it. And again, I love the way it came out. I love the two-tone effect, especially when you put it to the side. And again, I got this idea from when I watched Miguelito's DIY when he sprayed the inside. And here it is all completed. So I hope you all liked everything that you saw. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.